parrot either. That's a chicken.
How do you know?
Because parrots are colorful and can fly.
Kenny,
Colorful, huh?
Kenny,
I think we can get a parrot. Are you ready, Fred?
Kenny,
Ready?
Kenny, look at the camera.
2, 3, go!
Look at the camera, Kenny.
Oh, which way? Oh, I say. We were together and got it right. Hey, Fiona, what's wrong? You look sad.
This is a nice parrot.
Kenny, stop trying to cry and look at the camera.
I want to see where parrots live.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, I know.
We're watching the Baby First channel.
Parrot in the ocean.
And Kenny loves that channel. Hey, no crying.
Don't live in doghouses.
There's no crying in baseball.
I